are you, my dear students? Fine? Okay. You know what you remember what we study in our previous class? Yes, we study about our universe and star and planet. What are the difference between star and planet? We study about difference between star and planet. And the next one, constellation. What is constellation? Constellation is a group of stars. It form a definite patterns. Is called what? Constellation. For example of constellation is what? Ursa Minor. Then Great Bear is one of the constellation. What is that? Great Bear is also a constellation. A group of big constellation is what? Great Bear. Okay. Then next we study about the sun and the solar system. Okay. What is the importance of sun? Tell me. Sun is look like a hot ball. It is very big star. Okay, then it is very hot. Then we study about the solar system. Okay. What is solar system? Solar system. First one, Mercury. Then second one, Venus. Third one, Earth. Fourth one, what is fourth one? Mars. Then next fifth one, Jupiter. Sixth one, Saturn. Seventh one, Uranus. Eighth one, Neptune. Uranus and Neptune. These are the 8 planets in our solar system. First one is Mercury, second one is Venus, third one Earth, fourth one Mars, fifth one Jupiter, sixth one Saturn, seventh one Uranus, eighth one Neptune. Okay. This sun, Mercury is the nearest planet. Mercury is in our solar system, Mercury is the nearest planet. Okay. You can see in our solar system, you see Mercury is the first planet or nearest planet, the sun. Okay. Here you can see a picture of solar system. Okay. You can see a picture of solar system. You can see. Then you see here the first planet is what? Mercury. Then Mercury you will see the nearest with the sun. Okay. Then second one is what? Venus. You can see Venus. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. Hottest means what? വളരെയധികം ചൂടുള്ള പ്ലാനറ്റ് ഏതാണ്? Venus. Then next one, third one is Earth. You can see in this solar system, the third position is, the planet is what? Yes, Earth. We will live in Earth. We will live also the earth. Okay, then next one is what? Mars. Then Jupiter is the biggest planet. Okay, what is the biggest planet in the solar system? Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. Okay, then the Neptune is the farthest planet. What is the farthest planet in our solar system? Is what? Neptune. Neptune is the farthest planet in our solar system. Okay, then Earth rotates. In our solar system, Earth rotates its own axis west to east. In our Earth rotates on its axis west to east. Rotate west to east. West to east. The Earth rotates its own axis west to east direction. Okay, understand? In how many hours in a day? Yes, 24 hours in a day. So in our Earth rotate its own axis west to east direction in every day 24 years. 24 hours. Okay. Then the moon and Earth rotates in their way around our solar system. The moon is also rotate the sun. The only Earth or planets rotates? No. The moon is also rotate. The moon and Earth also rotate in their way around in the solar system. So in these 8 planets, some planets have rings. Which are the? We will study about which are the planets which have rings. These are the Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These 4 planets have rings. Okay, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune have rings in their body. Okay, then our Earth is a special planet. Our Earth is a special planet. Why? You know why our Earth is a special planet? Our Earth is also called a blue planet. Our Earth is also called blue planet. Our Earth is also planet. Earth is also called what? Blue planet. Okay. Why the Earth is a special planet? Why we will call the Earth is a special planet? It have only life. It have only life exist. Why? In our planet is Earth. The Earth has air, soil, water, a good condition of temperature. So the Earth have support our life. A good condition of support life. So the Earth is called a special planet. Okay, in our Earth have soil, air, water and good temperature. and a good temperature and condition to support life. So our earth is a special planet. Okay, understand? Then now we will finish this topic. So then our next topic is the moon, the natural satellite of the earth. So we will study about the moon and the natural satellite of earth in our next class. So lesson is our topic is finished. So we will see you in next class. Okay, thank you.